The funny incident. It was evening. Khondanbi was feeling hungry. We did not have anything to eat. She jumped over the fence and got into a field. She quickly plucked two big cucumbers and came back. Just then a woman came from behind and caught hold of her bag. She started saying something to Khondanbi in her own language. We could not understand what she was saying. Khondanbi was trying to explain in her Mizo. In her Mizo language, which we could not understand. I tried to explain in Hindi, but neither of them could understand it. Finally, I folded my hands to say that we were sorry. Dear, I am reading from here now. By then, our group had gone far ahead. It was already dark. I thought we have lost our way. Now we were really scared. We could not see anything even with our torches. I started sweating even though it was cold. I tightly held Khondanbi's hand. I called out loudly, "Where you are all? Where you are all? Can you hear me?" My voice ahead in the mountains. We both started to whistle loudly and flashed our torches. Probably the group had noticed that we were missing. We heard some whistles at a distance. I understood the signals. We held each other's hand tightly and waited. Khondanbi felt that we should keep talking. She started singing a Mizo sound loudly. After some time, we saw them coming towards us. At last, we were with the group again. There are also some questions. Is there anyone in your class whose language you do not understand or who does not understand yours? What do you do in such a case? If there would be anyone whose language we do not understand, then you can answer, we will talk in a sign language, as Sangeeta and Khondanbi done. Question number 3. Have you ever lost your way? What did you do then? So you can answer, obviously, if anyone lost the way, then in that case he asked the local people to finding him his way. Or you can say that if anyone will lost, then he will talk to the people to help in finding their way. Question number 3. Why do you think Khondanbi would have sung loudly? So you can answer, Khondanbi sang loudly so that their group could listen and find them easily, and she also did that so to get over her fear. Question number 4. Have you ever seen someone doing something special to get over their fear? What and when? So you can answer, I have seen sometimes the people shouting when they were riding on a high swing to get over their fear and also to enjoy. So this was the third part of the chapter. Dear students, we will meet in the fourth part of the chapter. Till then, good day.